How to crack and unlock any Winrar password. Disclaimer: this presentation is for educational purpose only. All the activities in this tutorial has the goal to teach you the techniques used by hackers. So let's start. 1. Today I am going to show you that how to crack any Winrar file password. 2. At first go and download RAR Password Unlocker. Link will be in the description. 3. Then open the file which has locked with password. In my computer there is no file which is locked, so I will create any Winrar file with password. Then I will open RAR Password Unlocker to unlock the file which I created. In my case I will be using custom brute force attack. You can select any attack to unlock the file. See its processing. Now copy the password and paste in Winrar password location. Hacked *202 hacker *.